Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the planes, the different planes and datum plane which we sometimes required to take. Like in CATIA and SolidWorks, we can take the inferred datum planes that which are parallel to the existing planes. Okay, but we have in three planes that and then we can take another plane parallel to them at some distance. So in cat this annex we have a special features. We can take at angle and different points. So let's start. We can we use how we can take different planes in different ways. So new model. Okay, now you can see in the right side figure the corner is cut it at some angle. So that is only possible with the datum plane at that angle. So let us start first. Menu, insert, sketching task environment. Let us take this plane. Okay, turn off auto dimensioning. I'm taking a line. Okay, now I will give dimensions. 50, 15, 35, 12, and this one also 12. And I can fit to screen and place the dimensions. So placing dimensions like this. By the way, every dimension is already clear, but still I am placing it nearby and escape. Now extrude, simple. We don't need to do anything. Put it symmetric and you can put it 20. Okay, now this figure is ready. I need to evolve, make it ISO. Take this and put 180. Okay, so now this here we have some cut like this from till here. How will you do that? We need a plane over there in this angle. So for that I am doing a simple sketch over this plane. Okay, single line I need here. Escape 6 and exit. Okay, this is our sketch. Now we will take a plane, datum plane. By default it will come as inferred plane, means you can take a parallel plane over with this, with this, means whatever planes you have existing, a parallel plane you can take. Then another we have distance, same with distance. Bisector plane, you have two planes, you can take a plane bisecting these and this one, or this and this one. Two lines, where two lines are meeting, here you can have a plane. Okay, through object, here we need curves and point. I will choose 3 points. First I will take this point, second I will take this last point, and third I will take this point. And okay, Now you can see I have an inferred one plane over there which is at angle. Now taking this plane and I will sketch over it. Okay, so if you orient this like this, then you can take it with this option, it will come back. Just move here and make a, let us make again 3 point angle triangle. Okay, and finish. Like this we have a triangle as well. So now extrude, select this curve. We need to subtract the material like this and okay. Making it an isometric, take this and 180 degree so that you can see this one, this face. Now I need to hide this. Right click, hide, right click, hide, or else you can use Control B. And now you can see we have this face cutted out there at an angle with help of a datum plane. So this is how you can take these datum planes at some random angles which are not fixed. So that's all for today for these planes. We will meet in another video. Thank you very much.